Okay, so I'm in my bathroom and it's day like just over a week maybe of quarantine, and the only way that I feel good is if I take a shower and get ready for my day. So today I decided to get ready and actually style my hair and do all that. So I'm gonna just use my Hot Tools brush. I did a little quick video, like a sped up video on my Instagram of this brush, but I wanted to just make a more in-depth video on it because this is my go-to brush. I use it every single day if I'm just blow drying my hair. So I just got out of the shower, and the only thing I put in my hair when using this product is I use two things. So I use a leave-in spray. This one's by Redken, One United. And then I use a heat protection spray. And this one goes up to 450. So it'll really protect your hair while heat styling. Because I'm in quarantine, I haven't really been doing my hair and I haven't really been styling it. I've been giving it a little bit of a break from Hot Tools and all of the damage and stuff that stuff causes. But I decided I wanted to style it today, so we're going to use this. So to start off, I just spray my leave-in spray, helps with any knots and all that. And then I will take my Play Safe heat protection, and I just put it like a size that much, rub it in the hands, and then I focus it all on those ends too, because that's where it's lived a long life on your head, so you really want to protect those ends from any damage. And kind of like rub it. Okay. Then you just comb it all out. And the trick to using this hot air brush is if you have time, you can go about your day and just like go eat lunch or do whatever you want while your hair is drying, because you want to make sure it's about like 80 to 90% dry almost before you start using it. And my hair gets really frizzy, but it's pretty straight for the most part. So I don't really go in with a blow dryer before and like blow it directionally. I just will like air dry it, or if I'm going to work after something I need to dry it, I'll just dry it quick and then I'll use my Hot Tools brush. But if I'm just gonna go eat lunch and just relax around the house, I don't need to do that. So I'm literally just gonna go about my day, let my hair air dry a bit, and then I will come back and show you guys how to use this. See you guys soon. Okay, and we're back. This is my natural texture when it's like pretty dry. It's still a little damp, which is exactly what we want for this. But yeah, so if you guys did have curly hair, I would recommend to really blow in that root. But as you can see, like my root's pretty straight for the most part. I just get like a lot of like frizz. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to use this Hot Tools brush now. Okay, so you don't even really need to section your hair because like for my density, but for the sake of the video, I will properly section it. So I usually just section it, like leave that out and just tie off the top part. And then this actually has a cool, low, and a high speed setting. And this is cool, high, low, and cool. Okay, so to use it, it's very simple. Turn it on. It doesn't really. So it doesn't really like give you much of like a flip or anything on the end. It kind of gives you just like a little bit of a bounce, but it definitely smooths it out a lot more. And then at the end, I'd usually just like go in with like a serum or something just to kind of like get rid of any flyaways if there is any, but like it gives amazing shine to the hair. So let's just do the other side. While doing this, you could like take like big subsections so that it doesn't take you as long, because it's not supposed to like be, it's supposed to be more easy for you guys to do at home, right? And then for the final section, and if you guys wanted like more volume, right now I'm at home so I don't want to put a lot of products in my hair, but if you guys were going out and you wanted like big hair, you could put like a little bit of a root spray and then kind of blow it in, but for me right now I don't really want that. Okay. I'll take my hairbrush and I'll kind of like comb it to where I like to part it. So say I parted like there today, and then I'll take some serum, put a little bit in, rub it around, and I'll just focus it on the ends and kind of like where I get frizzy the most. But there you have it. Super quick. It literally took me like no time at all, and I got, yeah, just back. So yeah, I like this just because my hair does get frizzy. Like even still, it's like it might be a little frizzy, but that's just like the type of hair I have. So I could like even run through like a flat iron on like some of the pieces if I need it around my face or something, if I want it a little bit more silky, and then keep the volume at the root. But it does give you a nice like voluminous blowout at home, and it's easy to use because you don't have a brush and a blow dryer in your hand at once, just one tool, and it's easy to carry around. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any more video suggestions or you'd like to see any more video tutorials, let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, see you guys later. Stay safe, everyone.